This 2023 Palomino Columbus 379 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Palomino is 41 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a bark interior, sleeps 9, awning, TV, DVD player, leveling jacks, air conditioning, oven, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stove top burner, microwave, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Palomino Columbus 379 megabytes is 13,494 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.